This circuit breaker finder kit combines breaker tracing, outlet testing, and ground fault checking in one compact tool, making it very efficient for home and light commercial troubleshooting. The clear digital display shows actual circuit voltage and signal strength, so you can track the correct breaker with far less trial and error than with basic beeping testers. Its ground fault outlet testing function not only gives simple pass or fail lights, but also identifies several common wiring issues, which is especially helpful when evaluating older installations. Included adapters for light sockets, two-prong outlets, and bare wire clips let you work on a wide range of circuits without hunting for extra accessories. The housing feels rugged and impact-resistant, and the improved clip design grips conductors securely, reducing the chance of slipping or accidental short circuits during use. A fitted carrying case, pre-included batteries, and safety certification mean the kit is ready to go right away and inspires confidence for regular electrical inspection work.